This is Seevoo. It's a executive chair made of leather with breathable leather, and it is for up to 400 pounds heavy duty metal frame. We're going to open up the product, show you how easy these things are to install, and talk about what this chair can do, what it looks like, and more. Please remember the product is heavy when it comes in. It weighs a minimum of 40 plus pounds. 54 pounds to be exact. It comes with an instruction guide how to assemble, tools and hardware, a set of caster wheels, the foldable arms for left and right, the back seat, the base seat, the caster bottom support, the base plate, the piston shock absorber. Going over the instruction guide will tell you exactly how to install your chair step by step. It gives you a parts list and more. With the heavy base bottom for your casters turned upside down, grab each of the wheels and lock into place by placing on top. Firm grip, snap in, and repeat for the other four. Turn around, right side up, place on the piston correctly. We're going to now assemble the bottom base. With the bottom base L, D, and F facing forward, we're going to place down the parts. We're going to use the right angle hex screw. Place in the socket and tighten down. We're going to grab the next set of screws, M's, the arms, and what we're going to do is place this on. These are called E, so when you put them on, please make sure that you put left for left and right for right. You're going to place the bolt in to the socket with the right angle tool. Get it started, place in the next bolt, and then start to tighten down. Repeat the same for the other side. You can turn the seat around, correctly place in a bolt, place the tool on, feel for the hole, start to turn, place in the second bolt, lock down. With some M2 screws, the back seat, you're going to lay across. You're going to place into the inner hole, not the outer hole. One bolt on each side and lock in. With the tool, you can feel for the hole very carefully, not to poke, gently to make sure that you are aligned. Once you hear metal, then take the screw and start to thread down. Do not tie it down fully till you repeat for the other side. Start to tighten down and tighten down the other side, but leave it loose. Lift up the seat, lock into place to the other screw. With the other side, you're going to do the same thing. Put in bolts and start to tighten down. With two bolts known as N and the lumbar support, place in one screw, get started, place in the other screw, and start to tighten down. With O's, they are caps that simply go over each of the holes that you put a bolt through. We have the tool, some spare parts, cover, bolts. We're done. Take your seat, place it into the base hole, right side your seat, and when you first sit in it, it will lock into place. This chair is made for up to a 400-pound person. It is a low sitting chair. This is the highest it goes. The arms are foldable. They are adjustable in height on each side. And it is a leather material, breathable. The chair, if you pull the handle out, leans back. It rocks. If you want to make it firmer underneath in the center, all the way in the back, there is a knob that you can adjust. It is a wide seat, tall back, including in the front that we installed a lumbar that will start to give pressure in the back as you turn it. Turn it one side, you can hear it clicking, and turn it this way to tighten up and give you that lumbar. This is an excellent desk chair, as you can see, doing computer work. It is an extra large 400-pound chair with white stitches, diamond designs, leather all around, breathable, soft, a very comfortable chair indeed. I hope you enjoyed this build of the chair executive for your office, work, whatnot. Enjoy your Seevoo executive chair product. Thank you for viewing.